Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today I've got my plan with me from July the 3rd to the 9th. I'm using the Happy 4th kit from Plannerface, and I'm pairing that with red and blue foil from Laura's Sticker Co. And I also found some rainbow date dots from Happy Scrappy, and the way that the rainbow foil is done, the dates that I needed were blue, so I decided to use those as well. But I'm going to leave you here and then we will jump into the day by day. So this is the kit all placed down, and I will get into the day by day. So to start Monday, as always, we have Coffee Monday. This sticker is from Plannerface, and so is the script. Then I helped my mum make a fish pie, and this sticker is from Pip something. Hang on, I will check for you what that sticker is called. They are from Create with Pen, sorry. And then I did some pictures for Instagram. And also shared my planner spread on Instagram. I had a plan with me go live this day. And then I hit 180 subscribers here on YouTube. Sorry, this is from the Coffee Monsters Co. The planner and the script is from Planner Bow Stickers, I think the shop's called. It's Planner Bow, I know that. The laptop is from Plannerface. Script, again, the same as there, and the balloons are from Plannerface as well. Moving on to Tuesday, I organised some of my kits, and that sticker is from Plannerface. I did some of my budget planning. Both of these stickers are from Stationery Heaven Co. I then filmed a May to the beginning of July flip through. That sticker is also from, my mind's gone blank, Stationery Heaven Co. I then started a new book, and that sticker is from Fantasy Design Store. And then I just had a Plan With Me binge, and that is from Plannerface. Moving on to Wednesday, I woke up with a bad back. That sticker is from Shine Sticker Studio, I think it is. Then I filmed the base for this week. That sticker is from Planner Bow. I had to call the doctors to make an appointment. That is from Plannerface. I shared my kit for the week. That is from Planner Bow. And then I forgot to bring a sticker out, but then I just had a TV binge. So that is the first half of the week. Moving on to Thursday, I did some laundry. Again, both stickers are from plannerface. I then had to contact the doctors again for my sick note. We went and did the food shopping. All of those stickers are from plannerface. We then went to McDonald's. My flip through went live, and then I read some more of my book, and again all three of those are from plannerface. Moving on to Friday, I had to fold my laundry. And I made some TikTok videos. Those are both from plannerface. I had to edit my destash video. And then I just had a movie night. And they are all from plannerface. Moving on to Saturday. Oh, sorry, I just knocked the camera. So I had a day with my youngest. So I'm just using that sticker from Happy Bees UK. We went for pizza. I think the pizza sticker is from Little Thoughts store. We then had ice cream. That is from Strawberry Lime Designs. I had to do a Instagram post for Your World of Colour. That is from Coffee Monsters Co. We then took our dog Coco for a walk. And we fed the ducks. I know that's a popcorn, but I don't have anything to mark for feeding the ducks. So my destash haul went up. So that'll be the previous video if you'd like to watch that. And that is from plannerface. And then I had a shower. Moving on to Sunday, I filmed my plan with me. That is from Stationery Heaven Co. And the script is from Planner Bow. We then had a roast dinner. Just going to go through my new stickers and find the roast dinner one. So these are from Stick with the Plan Co. So I'm going to use one of those to mark that we had a roast dinner. I can't find my notes to mark those last two, but you will see them when I upload the picture to Instagram. But that is my spread all done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, And if you are not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe as well, and I will see you in my next one.